Hello, it's Dave, M0OGY. Welcome to my review of the new Shakespeare 176-1 CB marine antenna. This antenna can also be used for base station use at home. Thus, I'll have to have a look at it. Right, it's a two-section antenna. Overall, when it's built up, it's 18 foot long, which equates to 5.5 metres in modern money. Starting at the base, very well made machined part, chrome plated. The base thread, as all other Shakespeare marine antennas, has a 1-inch 14 TPI thread, where you can use the 409R or the 410R mount that I showed you in a previous video. I'll show you that again a little later. Side mount in SO239, which is typical with all Shakespeare antennas that they're built for the marine and military market. Extremely well made. They are quite masters in manufacture of fibreglass, as indeed they make the fishing poles as well, which they're very well known for. First bottom section, roughly 10 foot long, I would think, maybe not even quite that. Brass ferrule at the top, dead easy to assemble this antenna. Chrome plated ferrule, which has a 3/8 of an inch thread, which is 14 TPI. So it's just a case of screwing in the top whip, which is this part, which is very flexible, unlike a lot of the other fiberglass antennas like the Antron, which is a lot thicker at the top. This is very thin, so certainly designed to stand bad weather conditions and winds, which we get a lot of around here. Certainly get a lot more of them on a ship, that's for sure about. Right, that's the male part of the 3/8 inch, which screws in the top. Everything's branded, even got a sticker on the top part, as indeed it has there. Warning stickers. So all in all, an extremely well made antenna. That's the packaging it comes in. Comes in the long Shakespeare branded tube. That's what it comes shipped in. Right, I'll show you in a moment what other parts come with it. Right, I'm back. The antenna comes with comprehensive instructions, not that it really needs much sussing how to build it. It's probably one of the most easiest antennas to build up there is. It comes with a instruction pamphlet explaining how to build it up, a few specs. Comes with a Shakespeare guide on how to install base station antennas, so they must have an inkling that people will use it as a base station antenna as well as a marine antenna. Did come with that in the package. Also, certainly don't mean it to fall to bits. It comes with a small tube of Loctite 242, which is a thread compound. So just put a little bit of that on the top thread when you assemble it, if it's permanent. Not that it really needs that, to be honest, but nice to see it in the kit. Got a stainless steel spring washer and an extra warning label as on the antenna already. So that's what comes in the kit of parts. First time I've ever seen any Loctite with an antenna, but these are designed for use on boats where you need as much help as you can get at keeping things held together. So certainly nice to see that in there. Right, I'll have a look at the mounts next and see what what mounts can be bought to fit on the base of the antenna. This is the first mounting kit, which I'm sure will interest most of my viewers. It's the heavy duty vertical mount, which is designed for pole mounting. Comes with a very well made TIG welded plated mount with a 1" 14 TPI thread on the top. Very well made, nice piece of kit. Also comes with stainless steel U-bolts, flat washers, and also A270 stainless nuts. That's what it comes with. That's the first mount. I'll just put it on the base of the antenna to show you how simple it is just to mount. There's the pole mount, just screwed into the base of the antenna, dead easy. Just right hand thread, and U-bolts go through the plate. Maybe wise to dab a bit of the Loctite on that thread when you've nipped it up nice and tight. Dead easy. This is a second mount, the 410R, which is a swivel mount with an insulated standoff bracket. Very well made, polished, plated. This is designed to mount on the deck of a boat or a small ship. And you've got the standoff bracket, which is in there, which clamps around the base of the antenna, and you mount, you know, a foot or so above the bracket to steady it. So that's the alternative mount designed for boat use. So you've got two options. You've got the heavy duty swivel mount for boat use, or the mast mount, which I'm sure is more suitable for my viewers who would use the antenna as a base station antenna at home on land. So that's the mounting brackets for the Shakespeare Big Stick, 2-section Big Stick. Come back in a moment with a few specs. Right, just the final part of the video now. Just a few manufacturer's claims really. It's got a claimed gain of 7.65 dB. The VSWR is 1.5 to 1 or lower on channel 19 of the set mid-band stroke FCC mid-band. It's got a bandwidth of just 440 kilohertz. 300 watts input power, so it's not really designed for the QRO guys, but I'm sure it'll accept a little more than that. But all these claims I will try, certainly the bandwidth with the MFJ analyzer in the coming weeks. See how we get on with it. It's also priced at £199.95 in the UK. I've seen this on a few websites. Yeah, it's quite a bit more than a few other half-wave antennas, but there again it's better built and it'll last for donkey's years, so I don't think there'll be any issues with that. I've been using it up on Nettleton Top over the last few weeks. Certainly performs very well. Compares well with other half-wave antennas I've tried up there, so no worries there. So that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Best 7.3 from Dave, M0OGY in North Lincolnshire. Bye bye.